Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Taurus. First, make sure your vehicle's ignition is on and the radio is powered up. Next, grab your smartphone and navigate to its settings to turn on Bluetooth, making it discoverable. Then, on your Ford Sync system, press the phone button to enter the phone menu. These initial steps prepare both your car and phone for a smooth connection process. Now let's pair your phone. On your sync screen, select Add Device or Add a Bluetooth device. Your sync system will then prompt you to search for it on your phone. On your phone's Bluetooth menu, look for Sync in the list of available devices and select it. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the sync screen. Confirm these numbers match, then accept the pairing on both devices. Once the PIN is confirmed, you will receive a message indicating successful pairing. Sync may then ask if you wish to download your contacts and recent call history. Select Yes or Allow to enable this feature. With your phone connected, you can now make and receive hands-free calls using voice commands or the convenient controls located on your steering wheel, enhancing your driving experience. If you encounter any issues, don't worry. A common solution is to restart both your smartphone and your vehicle's sync system. Sometimes, deleting old Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car's system can resolve connectivity problems. Also, double-check that your phone's Bluetooth is set to be discoverable. If problems persist, consulting your owner's manual for specific sync version details can be very helpful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.